Oftentimes, our applications will need to access services on the internet that are outside of the private cloud network where they are hosted. So far, we have focused on restricting traffic to subnets and instances using network ACLs and security groups. These tools also provide us the ability to control outbound traffic at the IP address or CIDR block level. Unfortunately, due to the ever-changing and dynamic nature of internet services, it is impractical to pin down specific IP ranges of the services we need to connect to. As a result, using network ACLs and security groups to restrict internet-bound traffic is not the best approach. AWS provides a few different ways to connect to the internet from our VPC subnets. Resources deployed in a subnet can be assigned to public IP addresses and will have internet-bound traffic routed through an internet gateway. A subnet that has internet-bound traffic routed to the internet gateway is referred to a public subnet. From a security perspective, it is not practical to deploy all application resources that require internet connectivity into a public subnet. This widens the attack surface and leaves the environment open to exploitation. The other option is to use a NAT instance or a NAT gateway. A NAT gateway can be deployed in public subnets so that instances in private subnets can use it to access the internet. These resources would not be exposed to the internet. In this situation, private subnets would have internet-bound traffic routed through the NAT gateway. Once the routing is enabled through the NAT gateway, it's generally all or none for internet traffic depending on how outbound rules are set up on the network ACLs and security groups. The shortfall with the NAT gateway solution from a security perspective is that it is difficult to monitor and restrict traffic at the application layer to specific domains and sites. Next, we will take a look at a few example solutions that will provide additional security controls for internet-bound traffic.